Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Continuation of the Ford Patriots meals. We've already got in another thing of what we're doing next with the next company set of meals. So this one is the creamy rice and vegetable dinner. We're having some Salisbury steaks tonight, so we figured we'd add this to it. This one, it's open pouch, remove oxygen absorber. Whisk contents into 5 cups of boiling water. Hope y'all are keeping track of all these cups of water. Reduce heat to medium. Continue cooking for 20 minutes. Stir frequently. Remove from heat. Let stand 2 to 3 minutes and to thicken before serving. So we're going to give this one a try tonight, and we'll let you know how it is. See you soon. Okay, we're getting our water up to a boil. This is what this one looks like. It's maybe kind of hard to see. Smells like broccoli dust and cheese dust, which is almost smells like athlete's foot. No, I'm joking. But basically all you do, bring it in. Of course, get your little oxygen absorber out of it. You don't need it in there. Pour it in, whisk it in all at once. Not all at once, I mean as you're doing it. Whoops, could have swore that was empty. And of course it says whisk frequently. I've got to buy a new whisk. This one has issues. But I got the plastic one out so y'all didn't have to hear the scraping of it. So this one gets beat up. That's what it looks like. Bring it down to medium heat, which will basically be a low heat with this stove. And I'll bring you back as soon as it's done. We'll give it a try. See what it's like. We'll see you soon. Alright guys, we're back with this creamy rice and vegetable dinner. It's got a little bit in my bowl here, so that way it would cool off. Not going to let you get me again. It is creamy. It is thick. It does have peas in it. I did find a pea, which I'm not mad at, but a lot of people don't like. It's not bad. I did forget to watch how much time I put it in for. So I know I didn't cook it as long as I should. The rice is a little stiff still. It's softening up, but it's actually pretty good. I'm surprised because when I saw it and how thick it got, I wasn't too sure about it, to be honest with you. So would recommend, you know, for a survival food or whatever you want to call it, emergency meal. Definitely works. We'll see you back next time. Coming up soon, it's supposed to be their famous oatmeal and some pancakes. See you back.